The Pest Management Regulatory Agency, abbreviated PMRA, is the Canadian government agency responsible for the regulation of pest control products in Canada. In Canada, if you need to find the label for a specific pesticide, or if you're looking to find the available product names and formulations for a given active ingredient, the PMRA's pesticide label search website is the place you need to go. Using any other method could return erroneous results. For example, using Google might return results for pesticides that are registered in the US but not in Canada. Or you might obtain results for a deregistered or superseded variant of a pesticide used in Canada. Using PMRA's database is the only way to ensure that you will find the current variants of all pesticides registered for use in Canada. To access PMRA's database, simply enter the term Canada Pesticide Label Search into your favourite search engine. Note that the top-level domain for their website is .gc.ca, which stands for governmentofcanada.ca. As we can see, the website allows for the entry of a comprehensive array of search criteria. For this example, we'll search for a wood preservative that uses copper as one of its active ingredients. Unlike the criteria-based search fields which look for keywords within specific fields, the top search box will return results if the keywords are found anywhere within the product's label. We can see that this was quite a broad search, returning 40 wood preservatives that include copper as an active ingredient, in formulations ranging from paints to concentrates, pastes, wraps, and gels. Now let's assume that you have the product in hand and you know its name. So we'll switch out the active ingredient to the product name. Our search has now limited our results to all wood preservatives named Cobra that are registered for sale in Canada. Note that both the registration number and product name fields are hyperlinked. Clicking on the product name fields will give you a snapshot of the product, including its Canadian registration expiry date and active ingredients. Clicking on the registration number fields will take you to a PDF copy of the full product label, including its directions for use, toxicological and first aid information. You can either print the label directly from your browser or save it to your hard drive for later reference. If you're out in the field, note that the PMRA also offers a mobile app. iPhone and iPad users can download this from Apple's App Store, and Android users can obtain it from Google's Play Store. Thank you for watching.